welcome to the inside of the brand new Glitterbombers High. Now, Glitterbombers High has the high school name, but it's for middle and high school. So think 7th through 12th grade. And even if you're an adult, you're going to love the projects that are inside and all of the things that it's going to teach you. The one thing that I want you to know about Glitterbombers High is it's not just a how to draw program. One of the reasons that is because there are kids who will start to draw and it's not their favorite form of art, but you put them in front of clay, wire, collage, digital art, and suddenly they're in love. It's important for kids at this age to explore all that art has to offer, and that's what Glitterbombers High is designed to do. So here's inside the portal. We have right here our themes that are coming up, and also how to use the membership. Now, if you've been looking at Glitterbombers has a monthly Facebook Live art class for kids, and Glitterbombers High has them on Zoom. You must register. That's just so we can send you reminders, but there are ways to register. There's a 30-minute class every single month for kids, as well as replays, their video off. Everyone can have a great time learning about a technique, a form of art, how to put something into their art, and then there's a monthly challenge. So they can go forth and if they want to, because it's optional, create, and they can win an art supply of the month. As they go on here, there's the membership guide. We also have a Glitter Blast magazine just for them. Fun artists to know about, little tips and tricks and things that they can surprise their friends about. And there's always an interactive activity. For this one, are you more like Monet or Van Gogh? The next thing you're going to see are our sketchbook prompts. And this is because the best way that you get better at drawing is by drawing. That's right, it's practice. So we start kids off with some drawing guides, and then there's 4 more added to the portal every month with that theme, so that eventually there's a library. Here is our newest theme, Falling Forward. So this will all be in one clump here. And kids can scroll through and take a look. If you notice, there's clay, there's painting, there's collage. So again, we're looking at a wide variety of different styles of art here. And then as you scroll down, you'll find your drawing lessons, your painting and pastels lessons, sculpture in 3D, mixed media, digital media, and some resources. This is new in Glitterbombers High. We have Intro to Procreate. We cannot wait for kids to explore things like photography and animation, creating their own gifts. So remember, it's not just to learn how to draw. It's an entire experience where kids are able to find what lights them up and what their own artistic style is. And not all lessons will be interesting to all kids. And that's exactly why we try to have such a wide variety in here for kids to explore. And, you know, when they feel safe, they might dive into those other activities and start playing around a little bit more, because it's a safe environment for them to explore without having to feel like it's put on display. That's exactly what Glitterbombers High is designed to do for your teen and tween. Have any questions? Let us know at support@soulsparklets.com. Hope to see you inside.